Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Python 3, 8+ and an isolated virtualenv. This prevents dependency clashes. Next, obtain API credentials now and save them in a env or environment variable so you won't hardcode secrets. Once done, pip install requests or httpx and python.env. These let you make HTTP calls and load secrets safely. Make sure to set strict file permissions and avoid committing. Env. Now open a minimal script file to begin building the request flow. You will now construct the HTTP call. First, create headers with authorization, bearer plus your key, and set content type to application/JSON if sending JSON. Next, choose get for retrieval or post for creating resources, pass params for query strings, or JSON equals for bodies. Once you send the request, inspect response, status code, and call response. JSON, when appropriate. Handle non-200 codes with retries or exponential backoff. Finally, add logging and unit tests so your request flow stays reliable and debuggable. You finish by securing and hardening the integration. Rotate API keys, restrict scopes, and never commit secrets. Then add retries with exponential backoff, sensible timeouts like 5 seconds, and circuit breaking to avoid cascading failures. Once deployed, monitor logs and metrics to catch anomalies. If something breaks, look at detailed logs, reproduce the request with curl or postman, confirm credentials and scopes, and verify there are no firewall or CORS blocks. One key tip: enable verbose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.